Just imagine me, and all this will appear. You can keep this moment all your life, forever near. A dream worth keeping. When you're feeling lost, I'll be your star. Just reach out and touch me, no matter where you are. In a world where precious things are disappearing overnight, just keep my star inside. I believe we found the dream that's worth keeping for more than just today. Even though the winds of change may come sweeping, it's still a dream.
Okay, what was done, now undo. Return you to the form and the truth.
Oh, big ear. Andy. Orangutan. Okay. Oh, it's dog with grab bag.
Let me try again.
No. Thank you, but I think maybe we better go see this magic.